Hey, what's up, guys? First of all, thank you very much for checking out my video. My name is Jagdish, and today we are going to see about VidV review. So, in this review, I am going to take you the sales page of VidView, and then along with that, I am going to take you the members area of VidView, and then I will give you that is the unique bonuses as well. These bonuses are completely free. So let's dive into this VidView review. Okay, so right now we are in the sales page of Vidvi. So commonly there are problems for a YouTube creator, and then if you are the newbie, definitely they are struggling to uploading the video and getting finding the niches in this real world. Okay, so here the problem, the creating engaging content daily for your niche is a painful and a time consuming task, and you need to learn complex video and audio editing skills and even master them in a short time span, and you are depending on YouTube itself to not notify subscriber about new video uploads, and buying expensive equipment to create your first video can leave you back account dry, and also drive traffic to your video is the biggest challenge and cost hundreds of dollars. So there are problems for the new YouTubers, and then problem do not end here, and you need to worry about copyright claims as they can close down your channel, and there is no surely whether your video will go viral or not, and you need to do everything manually and wait for things happen, and staying up to date with the latest niche trends needs lots of effort, and devoting time equally to all the talks become almost impossible. So that's why these problems are overcome by the one-stop solution that is called the vidvi. So proudly presenting the vidvi, that is a push button video technology explores it, a secret YouTube loophole to legally get access to 800 million videos, and creates a beautiful video channels packed with top video content, hands free with zero tech hassle, and also it is the 30-day money back guarantee. And so this is what is saying the vidvi sales page. So before we are going to deep dive into this vidvi product, now I am going to take you the sales the bonus page of the vidvi. Okay, so these bonus pages are definitely totally free for you, and right now we are in this sales page, in this bonus page of that is the vidview. Okay, so in this bonus, the bonus number one, that is I will give you totally 5 exclusive bonuses, and no one else is giving to these bonuses. Apart from that, I will giving the unannounced bonuses also. So first I will give you the bonus number one, that is the find trending topics for YouTube in 2022 with best tool. Actually, I believe is this one of the most important video inside of the training about finding the trending topics in YouTube. And in this bonus number one, easy guide and showing you scratch to find the trending topics and for YouTube. Actually, this tool is completely free to use, and recently introduce these features that include the YouTube searches and that is the number one, that is the what kind of things are people are searching for on YouTube right now, and which topics are trending right now, and how to do the trending research, and how to use these keywords and make it and how to turn them these videos views and then subscriber into the sales. Okay, so this is definitely something that you need. That is the bonus number one, that is the finding trending topics for YouTube in 2022. And the bonus number two, that is the million traffic and affiliate sales from Quora. Actually, I believe this is the one of the most important video, and inside of this training about getting more real traffic and viewers and how to turn them successfully into leads and sales. And first thing is how to create the clickbank account successfully. And nowadays it is very difficult to open the clickbank account, and there is a tricks and tips and then a loophole is there to creating the clickbank account. And the next one is the how to build a lead generation easy and simple. And the third thing is how to get the real organic traffic from Quora, and free and organic, okay, with step by step system to get massive traffic and turns them into sales. So this is what is the bonus number 2. And in this bonus number 3, there is a software that automates on Facebook plus extract list of group IDs with keywords. If you are putting the keyword, that is the affiliate marketing, the list of groups will be listed, and then you can getting that the ID, and then you can post without request to the particular page, okay. So in this third bonus, the great software Chrome extension plugin for Facebook, okay. So what is does the Chrome extension do is, it is getting the automatic traffic. It allows post multiple Facebook groups at once, and exactly listing of Facebook group IDs and the data from the keyword along with step-by-step training is included, okay. So next bonus number 4, that is the best marketing tool in 2022. So in this fourth bonus, I am offering the best marketing tool. It is a new and easy to get more views and subscribers to your YouTube, okay. That is completely free. So in this bonus number 4, inside the training video is showing you how you can use this to get the YouTube algorithm to boost you get real views and real subscriber and real likes and your YouTube videos instantly, okay. Apart from that, how to boost the YouTube algorithm to get more views instantly, and how to use those views to profit from affiliate marketing, and how to retain an audience with likes and subscribers, okay. So nowadays this tool is using, even the monetized YouTube channel also using this tool, okay. Actually there are huge number of tools are there, but this is exactly getting the more views, real views, and then likes, subscribers, everything is in this bonus number 4. It is totally free. And the next one is the bonus number 4, bonus number 5, that is the fifth. I am offering the Nova Pro version, okay. This is the great software Chrome extension plugin, and it is for totally for TikTok. And if you are the new TikTok, you are getting the views and then traffic in the, you are very struggling in this TikTok. So it getting the automatics in this in your platform, that is the TikTok platform, and allows to follow the target audience on TikTok, and along with the step-by-step training is included, and top high converting SKUs and thank you pages also included in this bonus number 5, okay. So totally these bonuses, totally 5 bonuses are there. So these 5 bonuses are exclusive for you, and it takes a huge time to create, and it is totally free for you, okay. In this description, if you are clicking through this description and this link, it is going to redirect this page, okay. So now I am going to tell about the prices of the Vidvi, okay. So this front end is the $17, and then these are the features are included in this front end, and then whatever one upsell, these are the prices, and then features are included in this whatever one from then that is the upsell, and the downsell is these are the features are included, and whatever 2 is their prices, and then a list of features are included, and then whatever 3, that is the their prices, and then features are included, and totally 4 whatever's are there, and then prices, and then features is included, okay. So now I'm going to the inside the member area of the Vidvi, and so this is the with front end, okay, front end members area. So let's enjoy the video marketing tool, complete the video and YouTube business builder, build beautiful channels on any topic and any niche, and upload, host and play your own video, built in free viral and SEO traffic, make tons of leads and sales and Amazon affiliate commissions. Okay, so right, I am going to sign in this Vidvi login page. So once you are entering this dashboard, first it is showing the that is the graph, that is the traffics and then videos and views and plays and engagement rate and the recent activities. This is what is about the inside the member area, that is the front, this front panel that is showing dashboard. And then if you are clicking the project, it shows the list of already uploaded the projects are available in this this project, that is the project thing. And the next one is the videos. So once you are clicking the videos, so you can see the list of videos already uploaded in this Vidvi. And if you want to upload, you need to create add the new video. And then here you can get there is a this you can upload from the YouTube URL or from computer. And if you are just want to upload from URL, you can easily upload and click the affiliate marketing. And then click, first you are clicking the from URL and click whatever niche you want to. Affiliate marketing means you are clicking the affiliate marketing. And then if you are getting the YouTube means click the YouTube and then type the keyword affiliates marketing. And if you are clicking and get enter, there are list of already existing videos are there. And if you want to upload means just you want to enter this URL and then title, and you can add this video. And if you want to upload from your computer is also possible. Just you have to select the niche, or if you want to create the new niche means you can add like that is the weight loss, like that means select from, and then select from the already existing videos. If you are in this computer means you can upload, and this is what is in this video. And then statistics, it shows the what are the videos, and then location overview, locations, and then technology device. These are the things are in this overview. The library and the settings. And the important thing is there is included the training. In this training you can getting the training, the step by step how to create and how to create a video, and then managing the video, and then you how to integrate with the YouTube, and how to you are going to customizing the video, and then add app video annotation and statistics, and personalization, and viral page, and statistic embedded, and download, manage video, everything. There are huge number of training included in this member area. And this is everything here is the front end of this Vidview. And also they are giving the on bonuses. There are a lot of bonuses. You can see that the several bonuses are there. You can take it everything here in this Vidview member area, totally free for you. And apart from that, I am going to give my exclusive bonuses also. Okay, so this is what is in this Vidview members area, training and the bonuses, frequent asked and settings, everything. This is what is the VidView. Okay, just you, if you want to creating the video, it is totally free. If you're if you want to upload from your side and this from the desktop, you can upload, or else if you want to add it already existing and make it the affiliate, it is also possible. And everything here in this training, in this training, so useful, according to me, it is definitely useful for the new YouTubers and then affiliate marketers. Okay. And again I'm going to and then tell about my exclusive bonuses. Once you are clicking through my link in this description, it is going to redirect this page. Okay, there is a you have to pay attention. There is a free bonus bundle expires when my page timers hit 0. And then this is the prices already mentioned. I have tell about the prices of this VidView. And then this is the list of bonuses I will giving. The bonus number 1, that is that is the front trending topics for YouTube in 2022 with the best tool. And then second one, million traffic and affiliate sales from Quora. And third bonuses is for Facebook extracting list of group IDs, and you can post the post, you can post without request to the another page. And bonus number 4, that is the best marketing tool in 2022. And bonus number 5, that is the Nova for the TikTok. Okay, so this is what is my exclusive review for VidView. And according to me, this is the best for YouTubers and new YouTubers and then affiliate marketer. And thank you very much for checking out my video. And if you are new to this channel and then video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, right? So thank you very much, and see you the next time. Take care. Bye.